I'm Carly from McDonald Jones Homes and I'm here at Panorama Net Zero Home. Let's hear how this project came about. We've partnered with Landcom here at Panorama, their world-class Green Star community at Wilton, just south of Sydney, where we'll be building a demonstration home featuring leading renewable energy technology, healthy and resilient building materials, and a range of circular recycled products. But it's not only net zero that'll make this home so special. With As Designed certification as a Green Star home and an 8.7-star NatHERS rating, this home will bring many features often reserved for the custom home industry to everyone. Opening in late 2025, this interactive home will be here for you to come and learn how to incorporate sustainable, healthy design into your new home. Over the next few months, we'll be going behind the scenes with our suppliers and trades to learn more about the sustainable elements of this home. So follow along as Panorama Net Zero Home comes to life. Go to the McDonald Jones Homes and Landcom websites and socials for more info.